Welcome to my latest embroidery project, where we're diving into the enchanting world of the woven spider wheel stitch. The best part, this stitch is super easy once you get the hang of it, and it won't eat up your time. We all love simple and easy, right? Just look at how this stitch adds an instant pop to any embroidery piece. It's not just beautiful, it's a game changer. So, let's jump in and explore the magic of this versatile stitch together. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for endless embroidery inspiration.